There's a licensing program. There's a class you got to take. It's 90 hours. There's several different companies that offer the program to take. There's also state tests you have to pass as well. But you cannot do that until you pass your 90-hour course. Probably the damage that people don't know is in their home. Mainly in crawl spaces, water damage, structural damage. People could be living there for 10 years and have no idea what's going on below them, and they're maybe minutes away from disaster. So it's very, very shocking. A lot of times, the dryer exhaust will be run in the crawl space. I've seen several times where that has been disconnected and there's been dryer lint covering the crawl space with an open junction box right above it. One spark from that and the house is gone.